The Global Ozone Monitoring Experiment is a cutting-edge instrument that surveys our atmosphere from above. It's known as GOME.
Their main mission is to monitor ozone, as its name suggests, but also to monitor other pollutant gases in the atmosphere.
In 2014, NASA releases an image captured by GOME's sensors, an image that looks like some strange unearthly force has spread across America. It shows an enormous cloud-like mass, so vast it covers half the United States. But this is no rain cloud. It's constant. The only movement, a gentle pulsing.
When I see this image, my first thought is that there is some kind of major disaster that has taken place in the Midwest.
What we have to figure out here is, what is the satellite picking up? Is it carbon dioxide, oxygen, a greenhouse gas, or something completely different?
Looking at the image, you'd think that half the U.S. was on fire.
In recent years, America has experienced some of the worst wildfires in its history. The idea that they may have caused this image is disturbing.
If I were seeing that occurring on a satellite image in relation to a wildfire, I wouldn't be sitting here with you. I would probably be running for cover.
The sheer scale of the cloud casts doubt on this idea.
I've never seen a satellite image of a fire that's that dramatically large. The fuel to support such a fire doesn't even exist.
If fire is not the answer, what other natural phenomenon could occur on such a wide scale? Volcanic eruptions can send vast clouds of pulverized rock high into the atmosphere.
A volcano is going to put out a plume of ash and smoke from a point source, from the volcano itself, and then spread out. When we look at this image, we see more of a globular type of pattern, and that tells us that it's not likely going to be associated with a single volcano.
If a volcano were to erupt in North America, we'd all know about it. So what's going on?
So it's not a volcano. It's not a wildfire. But whatever's going on, it's happening on a massive, colossal scale. It's big.